As a new parent, I know how overwhelming it can be to find the right equipment for your baby. I bought and tested these blenders specifically for making baby food, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Let me take you through the top 5 best blenders that stand out for their functionality and ease of use. Product number 1, Magic Bullet Blender, Silver. The Magic Bullet Blender is a compact powerhouse that's perfect for whipping up baby food quickly and efficiently. I remember the first time I tried it, I had a crying baby in one hand and a pile of veggies in the other. I grabbed the Magic Bullet, plugged it in, and within minutes, I had a smooth puree ready to go. Its 250-watt motor is surprisingly strong for a unit this size, making it easy to blend everything from soft fruits to tougher vegetables. The included crossblade and various cups allow for versatile meal prep, accommodating different serving sizes. This blender is incredibly easy to use, which is a huge plus for busy parents. Just add your ingredients, screw on the lid, and blend. The high-impact plastic cups are durable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. However, while the compact design is great for storage, it does limit the capacity, which might require you to blend in batches if you're prepping larger quantities. Pros: it's affordable, lightweight, and versatile, allowing you to whip up smoothies, sauces, and baby food in a flash. The recipe guide is also a nice touch, providing inspiration for meals. Cons: its small size means you'll need to do multiple batches if you're making larger quantities, and the blending power, while good, is not as robust as larger blenders. Why buy it? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, easy-to-use blender that excels at making quick baby food, the Magic Bullet is a fantastic choice. It simplifies the process, saving you time and hassle, which is invaluable for new parents. Product number 2, Ovente Immersion Hand Blender. I must admit, I was skeptical about using an immersion blender for baby food at first, but it quickly became one of my go-to kitchen gadgets. With a powerful 300-watt motor, it made blending not just easy, but enjoyable. The first time I used it, I was able to make a silky smooth apple and banana puree in seconds, and the cleanup was ridiculously simple. What I love about this blender is its 2 speed settings. Whether I wanted a smooth puree or a chunkier texture, I had the flexibility to achieve exactly what I needed with just a flick of the switch. The slim stick design fits easily into pots and bowls, which is perfect when you're in a rush, and its non-slip handle gives you a steady grip, even when things get messy. On the downside, the immersion blender does have some limitations. It's not as powerful as traditional blenders for tougher ingredients, so you may need to chop harder veggies beforehand. Additionally, it can be a bit challenging to store due to its length. Why buy it? If you're looking for an affordable, space-saving, and efficient solution for baby food, the Ovente Immersion Blender is a worthy investment. It's versatile enough to make everything from smoothies to purees, and its ease of cleaning makes it a perfect fit for busy parents. Product number 3, Groundsy Baby Food Maker. The Groundsy Baby Food Maker is a game changer for parents looking to streamline meal prep for their little ones. I remember unboxing it and being impressed by its design and functionality. This machine combines steaming and blending in one unit, which is a real time saver. The first time I used it, I was able to steam carrots and blend them into a smooth puree in under 20 minutes. It's equipped with an auto cooking feature that takes the guesswork out of meal prep. One of the standout features is the nutrient-preserving steaming basket, which minimizes the loss of essential vitamins. I felt relieved knowing my baby was getting the maximum nutrition from homemade meals. The cleanup process is also straightforward, with removable parts that are dishwasher safe. However, it does take up a bit more counter space compared to other options, which could be a concern for those with limited kitchen area. Pros: it's versatile, easy to use, and the steaming feature ensures nutrient retention. Plus, it's made from BPA-free materials, giving parents peace of mind. Cons: the size can be a bit bulky, and some users may feel it's a tad pricier compared to simpler models. Why buy it? If you want to prepare nutritious meals for your baby without the hassle of using multiple appliances, the Groundsy Baby Food Maker is the way to go. It's efficient and designed specifically for the demands of baby food preparation. Product number 4, NutriBullet Baby Steam Plus Blend. The NutriBullet Baby Steam Plus Blend is an innovative solution for parents wanting to create fresh baby food with minimal fuss. When I first used it, I was amazed at how it combines steaming and blending in one compact system. With a powerful 1200-watt motor, it can steam and puree vegetables in no time. I love that I can cook and blend in the same bowl, which saves me the hassle of cleaning multiple dishes. The pre-programmed Steam Plus Blend cycle is a blessing for busy parents. Just set it, and it takes care of everything while I can focus on other tasks. The 3 blending functions allow me to choose between silky smooth purees or chunkier textures, catering to my baby's developing taste preferences. The NutriBullet is also a breeze to clean. The work bowl and lid are dishwasher safe, which is a significant time saver after a long day. On the flip side, it's a bit pricier than some other baby food makers, which might be a consideration for budget-conscious parents. Additionally, the unit is a bit larger, so make sure you have enough counter space. Why buy it? If you're serious about making fresh, nutritious baby food and want a high-quality product that saves time, the NutriBullet Baby Steam Plus Blend is worth every penny. It's designed for convenience and efficiency, making meal prep a smooth experience. Product number 5, AMZ Baby Chef Baby Food Maker. Last but not least, the AMZ Baby Chef Baby Food Maker is a versatile 4-in-1 appliance that I found to be a fantastic addition to my kitchen. This machine steams, blends, defrosts, and reheats baby food, which is perfect for the busy parent. I remember using it for the first time to make a mixed vegetable puree. The steam circulation system locks in nutrients, ensuring my baby gets the healthiest meals possible. The customizable blending options allow me to control the consistency, which is incredibly important as my baby transitions from purees to more textured foods. I appreciate the auto shut-off cooking timer, which means I don't have to keep an eye on it while it works its magic. The large capacity is also a plus, letting me prepare several meals at once. However, the plastic build may raise concerns for some parents, although it's BPA-free and safe for baby food. Additionally, it's essential to ensure that all components are properly assembled before use, or it won't power on. Why buy it? If you want a multifunctional baby food maker that can handle all your baby feeding needs with ease, the AMZ Baby Chef is an excellent choice. It's user-friendly and efficient, allowing you to spend more time enjoying meals with your baby rather than preparing them. After testing these 5 blenders, I can confidently say that each has its unique strengths and is designed to make your life easier. Whether you're looking for something compact, versatile, or all-in-one, there's a blender here for you. Trust me, investing in the right blender can make a world of difference in your baby food journey.